Good morning, cadet. We are started NCC. There is a specialized syllabus, specialized subject. You all know that common subject, all NCC are classified into two groups. That is one is common subjects and another is specialized subject. Last day we have studied that is specialized subject. Lesson number 1, organization of armed forces and CAPF. Last day we already started introductory about organization of armed forces and CAPF. Today we want to study about important article, that is armed forces. Armed forces is a big and vast study. As for your syllabus, we are limited it and one after one explain. Okay. We all know that armed forces, first, first we study about committees. Committees of armed forces or army. Committees of armed forces or army. There are main 5 committees which report to President about its work. That is, first committee is Committee of Ministers. Committee of Ministers. There are different types of committees under President of India, that is Committee of Ministers. Number 2 committee is Defense Minister Inter-Services Committee. Defense Ministers Inter-Services Committee. Second is Defense Ministers Inter-Services Committee. Number 3 is Defense Production Committee. Defense Production Committee. Number 3 is Defense Production Committee. Number 4 is Defense Minister Committee of Army. Defense Ministers Committee of Armed Forces or Army, Navy, Air Force. Defense Ministers Committee of Army, Navy and Air Force Chief of the committee. And then 5th number is Chief of the Staff Committee. These are number first in armed forces. There are mostly 5 committees who take decision about all India armed forces. The all committees report goes to President of India. Then we study today one by one. That is number 1 is Committee of Ministers. Means there are committee of ministers, number of ministers, we all know that. Home Minister, Defense Minister, Foreign Minister, Agriculture Minister. There are number of ministers. There is a specific committee whose chairman is PM. Committee of Ministers, chairman is PM, that is a Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the chairman of this committee. Mota, specially you study here, which are useful in exams. PM or Prime Minister is the chairman of this committee of ministers. And Defense Minister, Home Minister, Foreign Minister, these are the members of this committee. These are the members of the committee, specially. Okay. Number two, Defense Ministers Inter-Services Committee. Defense Ministers Inter-Services Committee. Who is Defense Minister? Rajnath Singh sir. Okay, Rajnath Singh sir. Under Rajnath Singh or under Defense Minister, there are inter-services. Inter-services means Army, Navy, Air Force. Means again the chairman of these two number Defense Ministers Inter-Services Committee is chairman is Defense Minister and Chief of Army, Navy and Air Force are the members of this committee. Means number one, that is PM is chairman. For number two Defense Ministers Committee, Defense Minister is the chairman. Defense Minister is the chairman of this committee. Number three, Defense Production Committee. Defense Production Committee means any planes, ships, rifles, any production or any pay from other country is there is one committee that are known as Defense Production Committee. Again, Defense Minister is the chairman. Defense Minister is the chairman and Chief of three services are also member. But additionally they are the Secretary of Defense. Secretary of Defense is most important because production decisions are, it is a administrative work. Therefore, Secretary is also one of the member in this Defense Production Committee. Next is number 4, Defense Minister Committee of Army, Navy and Air Force. Means in that again Defense Minister is chairman, Chief of Army, Navy and Air Force are the member and also Secretariat of Army, Navy and Air Force also join this committee. Also join this committee in this Defense Minister Committee. And last 5 number is Chief of the Staff Committee. Chief of the Staff Committee means there is a separate committee for Army, Navy, Air Force. Army, Navy, Air Force. It means that Chief of Army is the chairman or Chief of the Air Force is the chairman or Chief of the Navy is the chairman of this committee, and under this committee chief there are Secretariat also involved. Secretariat are also involved. Again in this committee there are some MPs and MPs which are give directions. The State Defense Minister is also the member of this Chief of the Staff Committee. Chief of the Staff Committee. Okay. Today we study here and clear it number of committees of Indian Armed Forces. One after one. We all know that. Who is the chairman of Committee of Ministers? Prime Minister, PM. Number 2. Who is the chairman of Defense Ministers Inter-Services Committee? Defense Minister. 3 number, Defense Production Committee, Chairman, Defense Minister, and members, State Defense Minister, and both 3 services, Army, Navy and Air Force services, member, Chief. 4 number, Defense Ministers Committee of Army, Navy, Air Force. Means in this again Defence Minister is the chairman. Then Army, Navy and Air Force chiefs are the member, and also State Defence Minister. Number 5, Chief of the Staff Committee. Chief is the chairman of that committee, and State Defence Minister and Army, Navy, Air Force are the members of this committee. Okay, here we had a clear that this is the number of committees who takes number of decisions, again emergency or in peace time. Again emergency or in peace time. Second, we study about only army. Only army. Indian army are classified into mainly two main parts. That is, first is technical, and number 2 is non-technical. One is technical branch and second is non-technical branch. There are main two branches. Technicals means there are computers or on paper work. On paper work are in technical branch, and non-technical branch are non-officers and non-work. Okay, we study one after one. That is the first is technical branch. These technical branches are classified into two main parts. One is engineers corps, and number 2 is signal corps. Technical branch is divided into mainly two parts: engineers corps and signal corps. Engineers corps are all engineers. In signal there are wireless set or number of electronic devices work team, that are known as two types. And another number second non-technical branch. Non-technical branch. This non-technical branch is also classified into number of small units, that are one after one we will study. That is EME, second ASC, third is AMC, number 4 is or D is ADC, number 5 is E, MNS, then F is AOC, then next is RVC, E of RVC. Number of every time in exam, last time as it is, every time in exam, these are also write down short form, all write down full form. What is EME? EME electrical and mechanical engineers. EME means electrical and mechanical engineers. Which type of engineers? Electrical and mechanical engineers, one branch. ASC, Army Service Corps. Army Service Corps. Number of corps there. Branch and then number of corps. Then AMC, Army Medical Corps. Army Medical Corps. Then ADC, Army Dental Corps. Army Dental Corps. Then MNS, Military Nursing Services. Military Nursing Services. MNS means. Then AOC, Army Ordnance Corps. Army Ordnance Corps. Army Ordnance Corps. And RBC, Remount and Veterinary Corps. Remount and Veterinary Corps. Again, there are number of corps. Again, number of corps. Which are EME, Electrical and Mechanical Corps. ASC, Army Service Corps. AMC, Army Medical Corps. ADC, Army Dental Corps. MNS, Military Nursing Corps. AOC, Army Ordnance Corps. RBC, Remount and Veterinary Corps. Remount means when all are destroyed, then again to develop or combine all another corps are known as Remount Corps. What is engineers? Electrical and mechanical engineers work for vehicles and number of work. ASC, Army Service Corps. Services means sending message or accepting message. AMC, Army Medical Corps, medical unit, medical hospital. ADC, Army Dental Corps, concerned to dental of every armed persons. MNS, Military Nursing Corps. Nursing means compounder, nurses, all are included in this MNS services. AOC, Army Ordnance Corps. Ordnance factory means supply from depot. And RBC, Remount means new formation. In this way, there are number of corps under this. Means today we study about two main articles. That is number one, committees. There are 5 important committees. And number 2, we study about the classification or about number of branches in army. Which are that? Number 1, technical. Number 2, non-technical. In technical, there are engineers corps and B is signal corps. Similarly, in non-technical corps, there are number of again corps. Okay, so you study for this short form and long forms. EC, Army Service Corps. SC, Signal Corps. Again, EME, ASC, AMC, ADC, MNS, AOC, RBC, and again number of. Okay, if any doubt, then you go through given syllabus. If any problem, then ask. In homework, comment box, write down answer. There is homework every week. One homework, you write answers in that comment box. Okay.